Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing great today. We're all searching for that perfect trading platform, something that's easy to use, capable of managing multiple assets, and trades automatically to help us make profits, and most importantly, trade safely without putting our hard-earned money at unnecessary risk. Well, that's exactly where Xulvertik comes in. You'll find the official website link of Xulvertik in the description below. Make sure you use that link to create your account so you're signing up on the real, verified platform. And please don't forget to grab your exclusive bonus on your first deposit. Now, let's take a deep look at why Xulvertik stands out from other trading platforms and why so many traders are loving it. This AI-powered trading platform makes the entire trading experience smarter, faster, and much easier to manage. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, it is designed to be very user-friendly and efficient for all. The interface is clean, simple, and super easy to navigate. It works on any device without needing to download anything, so you can trade from your phone, laptop, or tablet without hassle. The AI behind it is adaptive and intelligent. It actually adjusts itself to your experience level, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader. You also get full customization over your strategies, risk levels, and trading preferences, so everything runs exactly the way you want. And if you're not ready to trade live right away, Xulvertik comes with a demo mode where you can practice risk-free until you feel confident. Best of all, your funds stay under your control at all times, and there are no hidden deposit or withdrawal fees. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of other platforms in the space. Use the exclusive link in the description to unlock full access to Xulvertik resources along with a welcome bonus. Registration takes about 2 minutes. Just enter your basic info, deposit at least 250 euros, set your preferences, explore the demo, and go live whenever you're ready. A quick warning. All popular tools always attract scammers. Fake Xulvertik websites are popping up everywhere trying to trick people. Only use the official verified link in the description. Don't trust any random version you find online. Once you're set up, choose the assistance level you want and let the platform help you analyze and execute trades with way more precision and efficiency. If you're ready to level up your trading, click that official link below and get started today. Drop your questions in the comments, hit like if you found this helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.